Paul Otuoma 2,807. Nambale Otuoma 8,000. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Nataka kurudia. Nambale Otuoma 2,807. 2,000. That's what I was given. Just listen, I will repeat. 8,000. Okay, listen, please. 2,807 for Otuoma. For Ojaamong, 597. For Ojaamong, 597. Teso South. For Otuoma, 1,357. 1,357 for Otuoma. For Ojaamong, 44,369. Butula. Oh, okay, let me repeat. Teso South. Otuoma 1,359. Ojaamong 44,369. Butula Ojaamong 3,750. Ojaamong in Butula 3,750. Butula for Ojaamong 3,750. For Otuoma 19,144. For Otuoma in Butula 19,144. Matayos for Ojaamong 3,577. Matayos for Ojaamong 3,577. For Otuoma in Matayos 11,420. For Otuoma in Matayos 11,420. Teso North. For Otuoma 3,303. For Otuoma in Teso North 3,303. For Ojaamong in Teso North 33,349. For Ojaamong in Teso North 33,349. I believe you have been adding. Budalang was the first one I announced, which was 1,907 for Ojaamong, 907. While for Otuoma in Budalang was 5,580. Now total for Otuoma 63,752. For Otuoma 63,752. For Ojaamong, 92,358. 92,358. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you earlier, these are the results I've received from the returning officers in every constituency. And that is our announcement. Thank you. Pardon? Nambale? And I can check with the, unless there was a mistake with the returning officer, I can check and confirm for Nambale. Yeah. Do you have Nambale? Huh? Yeah. Okay, you can counter check because each one had the agents on.